If you've ever thought your boxing could use a bit more style, you are in luck. Today, we are going to reveal these 10 advanced boxing techniques that could be the missing link to upping your moves. In boxing, you need skill, strategy, and physical strength. We all know the basics, but some advanced techniques don't get much attention. In this video, we will show you 10 of these advanced moves to up your boxing game and make you a better fighter. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you stick around till the end for the full scoop. Number 1. Switch hitting. Switch hitting isn't just about switching stances in boxing. It is about smoothly transitioning between the standard and southpaw position during a match. Now, why does this matter? Well, it messes with your opponent's head. See, most boxers get comfortable facing a particular stance, but when you throw them a curveball and switch it up, it creates confusion. And in that confusion lie opportunities, chances to land those knockout punches. Doing this well involves having nimble footwork with both your left and right and understanding how to make the most out of each stance. It is like keeping your opponent on their toes, quite literally. Number 2. Feinting and Deception. Feinting is like the art of throwing a fake punch, pulling your opponent into expecting one move, and then surprising them with another. Becoming a master of feints is more than just trickery. It is about exploiting openings in your opponent's defense that arise from their reactions. To excel at this, you need to understand your opponent's habits inside the ring and make split-second decisions. It is a crafty tactic that involves keeping your rival guessing and seizing the opportunities that emerge when they least expect it. The key lies in outsmarting your opponent with calculated moves and quick thinking. Number 3. Body feinting and rhythm changes. Body feinting is like doing a little dance in the ring. It is all about making subtle moves and shifting your weight to trick your opponent. Instead of showing your cards, you are throwing them off the scent of your real intentions. Now, let us talk rhythm. Throwing in some changes in pace can seriously mess with your opponent's timing. Picture it like a musical beat. If you suddenly switch up the tempo, it is harder for them to predict your next move. So these fancy tricks, when done right, bring an unpredictable flair to your boxing style, keeping your opponent guessing and second-guessing. It is like adding a dash of mystery to your every move. Number 4. Using the shoulder roll. Now let us dive into the shoulder roll, a nifty defensive move in boxing. Picture this. You use your lead shoulder like a shield, soaking up incoming punches, but here is the beauty of it. It is not just about defense. No. The shoulder roll sets you up for a killer counter-attack. Timing is everything here. You've got to be spot on with your moves and have the coordination of a ninja. It is not the easiest trick in the book, but for those who love playing defense, it is a gem. Think of it as turning defense into offense with a slick shoulder move, a valuable tool in the toolkit of defensive-minded boxers. Number 5. Swaying and pulling. Alright, let us break down swaying and pulling in boxing. Imagine a dance, but with punches. Swaying is like a cool side-to-side groove for your upper body, helping you smoothly dodge incoming punches. Then there is pulling, a slick move where you lean back just enough to avoid getting tagged. When you get this move down pat, you become a tough target to hit. But here is the sweet part. It is not just about dodging. No, it sets you up to counter-attack like a pro. Precision is key here. You've got to nail these moves. It is not just a defensive strategy, it is your ticket to staying in control in the boxing ring, turning the tide in your favor. Number 6. Half step and full step back. Now, let's talk about footwork, the unsung hero of boxing. It is like the dance of the ring, and nailing the half step and full step back techniques is your secret weapon. Imagine this. You take a mini step or a bigger one backward, creating space and dodging punches like a pro. But it is not just about moving your feet, it is about doing it light and fast. You need reflexes as quick as a cat and a savvy understanding of your opponent's range. Why? Because it is not just about dodging hits, it is about controlling the flow of the fight. These footwork tricks let you dictate the pace, giving you the upper hand in that squared circle. It is like being the choreographer of a boxing ballet, strategic, nimble, and totally in control. Number 7. Infighting and Clinching techniques. Infighting is all about getting up close and personal in the boxing ring, engaging in tight combat. Here, boxers throw short, potent punches and play with their body positioning to gain an upper hand. Now, let's talk clinching. When used cleverly, it is like throwing a wrench into your opponent's rhythm. It messes with their flow and opens up chances for counterattacks that can really turn the tide. So understanding how to manage and maneuver through clinches isn't just a useful skill. It is a game changer in the ring, giving you more tools to dominate your opponent. Number 8. Explosive combos and combinations. In boxing, blending different moves strategically to create powerful sequences is a crucial skill. Imagine it like conducting a symphony of moves that overpower your opponent, making it tough for them to defend. This advanced skill means smoothly switching between attack and defense, showing how versatile you are in the ring. To pull off complex combos, it is not just about being physically strong. You need a solid grasp of basic boxing principles and lots of practice. Mastering this not only makes you a tough opponent but also takes your boxing style to a level where being unpredictable becomes your biggest strength. Number 9. Slipping and rolling. Slipping and rolling are crucial defensive maneuvers designed to dodge incoming punches. When you slip, you move your head laterally, while rolling involves a circular motion. Mastering these defensive skills goes beyond merely avoiding hits. It is about creating opportunities for counterattacks, adding an extra layer to your defensive strategy. By becoming proficient in these techniques, you not only become elusive, making it difficult for your opponent to land clean shots, but you also set the stage for launching effective counter punches, keeping your adversary on their toes throughout the bout. It is a defensive game that transforms you into a more challenging and unpredictable opponent. Number 10. Angling and pivot punching. And lastly, angling and pivot punching are advanced techniques that focus on smart foot and body movement to gain an edge over your opponent. Mastering the art of pivoting and angling allows you to take control of the ring and land punches from surprising directions. Precision footwork and a good sense of timing are crucial for catching your opponent off guard. As you become adept at these maneuvers, you will find yourself dictating the pace of the fight and landing effective punches from angles your opponent least expects. It's all about finesse, footwork, and timing to keep your adversary guessing and on the defensive. As we end our video, these 10 advanced boxing techniques can be the secret weapons that elevate your performance in the ring. Now, it's your turn. Which of these techniques are you excited to try, or do you have any unique moves on your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future content. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.